What are some things that when people are social selling, what are some things that they should definitely not do?
When you're social selling, if you think about how you'll build a landing page, you would have one proposition on that landing page, one offering. If you try to put in 10 different offerings, people get confused, they'd never click through the funnel and they'd just bounce off. It's the same with LinkedIn and social selling. If you're setting up your profile and saying, I'm a marketing consultant and I'm also a dog walker, then the people who are your potential marketing consultant clients are going to hit your profile and go, well, I'm on a dog walker's profile. What's this about? You need to have one proposition. If you have a company that has multiple propositions, pick the key one and make that your selling point. LinkedIn or any social media platform when you're social selling is, if you think about it like the hook, if you're fishing, it's the thing that hooks people in. As soon as they discover you and they think I'm interested in your main proposition, they're going to go to your website, they're going to check you out, they're going to discover your other propositions. But a big mistake clients make is trying to even have multiple companies. If they're CEO of a multiple company, they'll try and adapt their LinkedIn profile to sell each of those three companies, and it just doesn't work. You've got to pick one.